How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and tonight for Naughty Bucket Friday, I've got a lock that I've had for a little while and have not been able to get into it. So I've been messing with Biolocks lately, and trying to get the ones I have picked. Oh, sorry guys. His arm. So I've had this one here for a little while. Now I do believe that Keyless sent me this one. I'm pretty sure it was him. It's a cam lock, but the peculiar thing I just realized yesterday is I don't think it's full size. So it looks like it would be, but when I get a Bilock key, it doesn't go in all the way. So, Bilock core, and it, even the one that Funky made me, does not go in all the way. So I'm thinking that it's maybe a 5-pin version, and if we have a look up in there, it looks to me like there's no front pin on the left side. Very strange. Now, apart from that, oh, sorry guys, there isn't anything else different about it. Yeah. So anyway, enough babbling. Oh, sorry. So I have picked on this a fair amount, and I have got the right side set. So I've got somewhere, I think. Okay. Right, so I've been, I feel like there's a pin missing. So let's try and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm only getting 4. Well, that would make sense on this side. Let's check the other. I think there's only 4 each side. Huh. Okay. So let's go in with light to medium tension, and see what we feel. So one is click at 3. One is maybe in a false gate. Getting a lot of springiness. side. Alright, got a binder. A little click on the back pin on the left. It might be 4, might be 5. Not too sure. Right. One's in a gate. That was 2. Alright, the right side's feeling pretty good. Right, what about that left side? Okay, click R2. Oh, binding nicely. Click from the back. Don't do that. Okay. Now, I don't know if the first pin has like a broken spring. And that's going to stop it opening. I just don't know. Threes binding. Give them a jiggle test. Alright, coming on this side. Little click. Right, so I had something said. So I was just looking at this before also. So going by this, I think this is a rotation limiter. So I need to tension it. Oh, sorry, I need to tension it anti-clockwise. So I might try that this time. Just go a little bit lighter tension. Right about there. One's loose. A little click out 2. Nice click out 3. One springy. One. All right. One drop down. All right, so that feels acceptable. No, let's just keep it tensioning from that side. Okay, one's dropped. Oh, okay. Felt a tiny little movement on the call. So I think I got the right bank set. Pause binding. All right, there, right there. One feels good. Got a little click on 2. Zach is just running around like a madman. How you doing, Zachy boy? Yep, okay, no worries. I'm not being restricted, don't think. Two is right down low, right there. Okay, I felt a tiny bit of movement. Alright, so I don't know if I'm getting hung up on the back there. Alright, let's check this side. So one is loose. Two is springy. Three's binding. Alright. I just lost the rotation on the core. Okay, there. Just felt it move again. I don't think it's getting caught up in the back. No. I think one being all up there is hindering, because I can feel it moving all over the place. Well, I think one might be one feels good. Alright, I don't think I got it. Just let me take it out just on the off chance Is that moving? No. Okay. Alright, so didn't quite get it. I think it might be an issue with pin 1, because that was feeling like I had one side set and the other side was feeling really nice, so not sure what is the go. Alright, well, okie doke. Oh, that is going to be all for me tonight. Hopefully I'll make some progress during the week and maybe get open off camera. Okay, anyway, that is all for me tonight. Until next time, stay well, stay safe, and stay sane. Hooroo.